Now you've interfered in my love life. That's why I want to deal with
Fix your things, girl. Fix your things, girl. Let me alone.
Come out. Angwazi. She must come out. Did I touch your car? Did I touch your car? You decided to be involved in my personal shit. Now you are coming to complain in my fucking house. Come out. Come out. You hold it. You hold it. You hold it. And again, you decided to hold the stick. You fucking decided to hold the stick. Let her come out. I want to show her who's crazy. Take me a fucking video. I want to show her who's fucking crazy. When I Puma, so dinner now, Puma. And it's when you tell her to see it, I can. Come out. Come the fucking out. Come out. I don't give a shit. You fucked up my house. You fucked up my apartment. Now you want to interfere on my business with umseleb. Deal with it. You decided to give them your contact number. Now they are contacting you. Deal with it. But don't tell me I'm mad because I'm mad. Don't fucking tell me I'm mad. Come out. Come out. You'll see today. Today you'll see. Come out. I'll throw the stick away. The sticky. The slasa. Puma.
Hello guys, and welcome back to Reality Rewind. Please like and subscribe. I absolutely appreciate it, guys. So Uvuyokazi confirmed yesterday that indeed she is engaged and they have paid lobola for her, of which a massive huge congratulations to her, a fat huge congratulations to her. What I'm happy for is the fact that she has finally left that toxic situationship that she was in, because she wasn't being respected and all that. So she posted a picture of hers, you know, and said a promise kept. I think low-key that was directed to Mpumelelo, because he made a promise to her and did not keep it. Hey, God, what Mpumelelo did to Vuyo, ishlungu yo hayi, you know. Maybe it's because Mpumelelo is just too young. Maybe he's just acting childish. Because I refuse to think that khona nje indoda ekhulileyo enengqondo engenza njalo. Anyways, guys, men have done worst. Let's be honest. It's just that this one was aired on TV. Guys, Utirelo Phela commented on Vuyo's engagement and said, congratulations on your new journey. Wish you all the best. Something like that. I was like, girl, why don't you just shut up? What are you commenting? Because the last time we checked, you guys were not on good books with Vuyo. You guys were fighting and all that. And Velenje, when I saw that comment, I was like, you could have just shut your mouth. And then Mpumelelo responded. I'm just going to go ahead and insert the comment here so that you can see, because I won't say it verbatim. Responded to Mpumelelo ati congratulations. Yes, congratulations to her. You know, something like that. I'm like, there's two. Guys, Utirelo, nkosi yami abaseduze noTirelo, mani mkhuza uthini uTirelo? Uthini nje mali zama ukuhlala la ephansi limbonisa nje, because no, she is wasting a time of her life. She's wasting it, because Mpumelelo, guys, ukashana lokushintsha Mpumelelo, I doubt if he's ever gonna change, because by the mere fact there are people who are condoning her behavior. Outside of his father, we know his father condones the behavior, but there are other people. Bakhona abanye abantu abambuka Mpumelelo thole be repostile ama post akhe or some of the things, you know, bethi oh yindoda emadodeni, yeah, what guys. I think those are the people abazomenza ukuthi Mpumelelo aqhubeke senza nje into zakhe ezibhedayo. So uTirelo, shame. Tirelo, now that Vuyo has left Mpumelelo, you can go ahead and leave lawe phela nkosi yami. sekwanele bantu, sekwanele. Usungashiya ke i-competition uvuyo ihambile. Usungashiya Tirelo because there is no way. I doubt Kodinta azayithola Tirelo kumpumelelo. Guys, no. So there was another comment where someone said that I think Umpumelelo is going to go ahead and marry Tirelo, and you know, pay inhlawulo zabantwana bakaTirelo and everything just to spite Uvuyo. And I was like, no ways. He's not going to do that. Not Umpumelelo. Umpumelelo is going to go ahead ayofuna another virgin or ayofuna another, because he said on his live wathi yena usazofuna ukuthatha umvenda, athathe umpedi, athathe, you know, people from different cultures nje. He's not even about to say let me spite Uvuyo and marry Tirelo. No, he has no business doing that. So guys, the video that you just saw at the beginning of this whole video is Queen Loli. I don't even know what she was shouting, she was fighting with who, who is this lady, I don't know, but he is talking about Umselegu, and we know what Queen Loli has been involved with Umpumelelo Mselegu. So I want to believe what he was talking about Umpumelelo Mselegu, not Umselegu Senior, of course. Guys, what if Umpumelelo didn't break up with Queen Loli? Phela it's a possibility ukuthi maybe vele they didn't break up, because did you hear him on the live video that he did Emalangeni, the way he was siding with the Queen Loli? He was on the side of Queen Loli. Oh, is a whole entire live what, you know what, awuthi ngigezi isibizo lika Queen Loli wathi hayi guys, Queen Loli is not the one owangithelela i-STI. Umuntu owangithelela umkhuhlane ukhona yena, kodwa akuyena Queen Loli. You get it? Ngathi hayibo, wasuicide Queen Loli kangaka. Hayibo. And on that episode uTirelo washo wathi yena, I remember Umpumelelo that time when he was involved with the Queen Loli, that's the time yizwe insuku agula ngazo. So how does he know ukuthi lo mkhuhlane wavela ku Queen Loli or wavela to the other lady? Hayi, mina ngiyasola guys, maybe those people are still together. Futhi remember ukuthi Queen Loli wakwathi yena Umpumelelo, you know, why ethi mayithi uyala Umpumelelo ayala to uyaziphosa ngewindini. Futhi shame, futhi maye ngoTirelo nkosi yami, maye ngoTirelo, ngamzwela uTirelo. Guys, uthando lubi sometimes. Inhliziyo, let me not say uthando lubi, inhliziyo iyasibhedisa sometimes. Inhliziyo seyihambe uyakuchiya kumpumelelo ufike ithi ngifuna la. Yikho lapho engifuna khona. Yabona la ema-STI yikho engifuna khona. Hayibo. Amadoda igcwele kangaka uTirelo, hayi nkosi yami. Futhi tell you what, uzothola ukuthi bakhona ogaya abahambayo kuma DMs kaTirelo bethi benqwetha lapho bethi hayi Tirelo, you know, cela ukuthatha nje nengane yakho and all that. Ayala uTirelo athi hayibo ngifuna lapha yo kule STI khona, yilapho ngifuna khona. Hayi inhliziyo ngiyayisaba shem, ngiyayisaba inhliziyo. Anyways guys, another thing, Uvuyo confirmed that she is now married. Even her Instagram bio it's written married. Wow, congratulations once more. Even Uxolani, her Instagram bio also is written uthi married. So yes, it's official, and congratulations to them once more. Thank you so much guys for watching. I'll see you on my next one. Bye.